स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज वेदांत Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। वेदांत Q3 रिजल्ट ऑन इन अग्रवाल लीड फार्म्स प्रॉफिट जंप 61% YoY to 5,710 crore revenue hit 45,899 crore. और वेदांत Q3 रिजल्ट Vedanta Ltd by Anil Agrawal reported a 61 increases in Q3 profit attributable in owners to 5,710 crore up from 3,547 crore last year. Vedanta Q3 result billionaire Anil Agrawal metal and mining firm Vedanta Ltd announced financial results for the October to December quarter on due Thursday, 29 January 2026. The company reported a 60.9% jump in profit attributable to its owners to 5,710 crore from 3,547 crore in the same period previous year. According to regulatory filings, the total revenue rose 19% to 45,899 crore from 38,529 crore in Q3 financial year 25. The metal gains and earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization stood at 15,171 crore, up 34.4% year-on-year basis. Vedanta total expenses stood at 18,916 crore, up 31.7% from the same quarter of the previous year, when the expenses were 14,361 crore. Commenting on Q3 financial year 26 result, Arun Misra, Executive Director Vedanta, said Q3 financial year 26 has been a landmark quarter for the Vedanta, delivering our highest ever EBITDA of 15,171 crore, with two our businesses achieving their best ever financial result. Misra at Aluminium posted its strongest EBITDA margin of $1,261 per ton, supported by record alumina and aluminum production. Zinc India recorded highest ever quarterly EBITDA of 6,064 crore, driven by record min and refined metal output, with silver contributing 44% of the overall profit. Zinc International also reported a 28% YoY increase in production, led by the Gumsberg, achieving its highest ever recovery. Vedanta share closed 3.93% higher at 766.10 after Thursday market session. The metal and mining the company announced its result after market hour on Thursday. Vedanta share price opened at 7,044.05 per share on the BSE on Thursday. Thank you.